Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Breckinridge County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you for our Wednesday, August 29th update. I'd like to congratulate our Lady Tiger soccer team on defeating McLean County last night and also making 2 wins in a row. They defeated Hart County at Hart County on Monday night and then defeated the Cougars here at Tiger Field last night. So great job on the Lady Tiger soccer team, and keep up the good work. They play here Thursday night against Grace County at Tiger Field. Game time's at 6 o'clock, so I'd like to wish them luck in that game. Also, good luck, or congratulations to our Lady Tiger volleyball team. Last night, they defeated Cloverport. They now moved to 12-2 on the season, doing a great job. I'm really proud of them. They have a big rival game with another 11th District opponent on Thursday night at Hancock County, so I'd like to wish them good luck tomorrow night. We are fall CERT testing here today at the high school, and what that means is the CERT test is an ACT-based test. It gives us a good feel for how our kids are going to perform on the ACT. Also allows us to provide interventions to help students that might be struggling a little bit or needing some help to perform better on the ACT. Gives us an opportunity to kind of to provide them with interventions where we can get them to score the best they can on that test. So we're doing that today. That's grades 9 through 12. We're doing a great job so far. We're about 2 hours into it, and they're doing wonderful. So proud of each and every one of our students, how they're working really hard on that. So great job there. A couple of other events going on this week. I'd like to wish our cross-country good luck tomorrow as they travel to Hancock County. Also wish our football team good luck as they travel to Logan County on Friday. And that will conclude our sport events that are going on. We'll remind everybody this is a 3-day weekend coming up, so there will be no school on Monday. So I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Everyone work really hard, have a great day, and be a champion.